AGR 626 Postharvest machine introduction. So let's get it on. Hello, so I will be going to show you about the main parts of the machine. So there are three main components that we need to remember. There are three motors. So the first motor is here. This is a motor for the conveyor belt, for the movement of the conveyor. So then the second motor, this is the motor for overall function of the machine. And lastly, here is the blower motor to make sure the water thrust will go through to the water that we fill inside this machine. Okay. Going to show you how to operate the machine properly. So let's go see the control panel. Here you have the power indicator, and then we have the bubble switch, and then we have the power switch, and lastly we have the transfer switch. So the correct order to operate this thing is first for turning on. Firstly you need to turn on the power switch, and then the bubble switch, and then the transfer switch. Okay, to turn off the machine, firstly you need to turn off the transfer switch, and then the bubble switch, and lastly the power switch. So I will show you how the machine will be operating while we take some produce and use it for the application of the machine. So here is our produce, the fruit. The fruit is being blown away to the conveyor belt. So you can see all of the fruit sediment, dirty dirt will be blown away and move from here to here, but then it will be filtered by this filterer. This filterer is used to control the amount of sediment and the quality of water. And this is the product, and it should be nicely clean enough for packaging. Goodbye. Okay, now I will be going to tell you about the advantages of using the post-harvest machine. Now I will be going to tell you about the features of the machine. Hi, so thank you for watching our video. The conclusion is that for farmers to have this machine, it will be a very good thing, because what I see is that it can mostly help in their operation, mainly on washing the fruits or the vegetable they have harvested. But then it is quite expensive because it only costs 48,000 ringgit. But nevertheless, it will help farmers to do their work more efficiently because the machine require only few skill, because you only need to turn it on and turn it on in a proper way. So thank you for watching and see you next time.